Why is everyone talking about XRP's MACD Golden Cross right now? In the fast-moving world of cryptocurrency, not all signals are created equal. Some indicators flash quickly and disappear just as fast, while others quietly form in the background before leading to massive market shifts. Today's video centers around one of the most respected technical indicators in trading, and that's the MACD Golden Cross, and how XRP has just printed the signal on a higher time frame, specifically the 5-day chart. This development has caught the attention of seasoned analysts before higher time frame signals often precede major trend changes, not just short-term price spikes. With momentum improving and historical context suggesting strong upside potential, many traders are now asking the same question. Is XRP preparing for its next major move? So, what does a 5-day MACD Golden Cross actually mean for XRP? A MACD Golden Cross occurs when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, indicating a shift from bearish to bullish momentum. What makes this signal especially important is that it happened on the 5-day time frame, not a lower, noisier chart like the 15-minute or 1-hour view. Higher time frames like the 5-day chart smooth out market volatility and filter emotional trading. When momentum flips on these charts, it suggests that larger market participants, which are the institutions, long-term holders, and smart money, may be repositioning. In XRP's case, the MACD crossover happened near the zero line, which is a crucial technical area. So, this suggests momentum isn't bouncing. It's potentially changing direction entirely. From a market impact perspective, this increases confidence among traders that the move has a structural strength, not just a speculative high. So why is the histogram turning green so important? The MACD histogram represents the distance between the MACD line and the signal line, making it one of the clearest visual indicators of momentum strength. When the histogram flips from red to green, it confirms that bearish pressure is fading and bullish momentum is taking control. In XRP's current setup, the histogram didn't flip suddenly. Instead, the red bars gradually contracted toward zero before turning green. This slow contraction is critical because it suggests selling pressure was exhausted, not violently reversed. From a market perspective, this pattern often signals accumulation rather than speculation. Buyers are stepping in methodically, observing supply and positioning for continuation rather than chasing quick profits. This type of momentum shift tends to produce more sustainable price trends. So, how does the 5-day time frame reduce market noise? One of the biggest mistakes retail traders make is focusing too much on short-term charts, where fake breakouts and emotional reactions dominate. The 5-day MACD removes much of this noise and highlights true trend direction. Signals on higher time frames are harder to manipulate and require consistent buying pressure over extended periods. And that's why many professional traders give more weight to them. When a golden cross forms on a higher time frame, it often signals the early stages of a trend, not the end. For XRP, this means the market isn't reacting impulsively. It's building momentum deliberately. That kind of behavior tends to attract longer-term investors, increasing liquidity and reducing volatility over time. So, why does the July 2025 signal matter so much right now? Historical context is powerful in technical analysis, and chart nerds' comparison to July 2025 adds serious weight to the current signal. The last time XRP printed a similar 5-day MACD golden cross, the asset went on to reach a new all-time high. What stands out is not just the cross over itself, but the shape of the MACD structure. So let's look again at the shape of the MACD structure right here. In both cases, the MACD lines flattened, formed a rounded bottom, and then turned upward. This curvature often indicates controlled accumulation, not panic buying. So from a market impact standpoint, repeating historical structures can reinforce trader confidence, encouraging more participants to enter positions early rather than waiting for confirmation at higher prices. So, how does XRP's $2 support level strengthen this signal? Technical indicators don't work in isolation. XRP recently broke above the $2 resistance level and successfully turned it into support. This is a major structural shift in market behavior. Holding above previous resistance while momentum indicators turn bullish is often seen as a confirmation of trend continuation. If XRP maintains the support while the MACD histogram continues printing green bars, it aligns price action with momentum, a combination traders actively look for. This alignment suggests that the market is accepting higher prices, not rejecting them. As long as price consolidates above this level, the MACD golden cross becomes more than just a signal. It becomes a roadmap for trend expansion. So, what should traders watch for next to confirm the trend? While the signal is promising, confirmation matters. Traders will be watching for sustained green histogram bars, continued expansion above the zero line, and rising MACD slope. If these conditions persist, it would indicate increasing trend strength, not just a temporary bounce. Consistency across upcoming candles will be the key. Markets reward patience, and higher time frame setups often unfold over weeks or months, not days. So from a market perspective, this phase is where confidence builds, liquidity increases, and volatility gradually works in favor of trend followers. And finally, my own personal opinion about this is that this 5-day MACD Golden Cross is one of the most meaningful technical developments XRP has printed in recent months. The combination of higher time frame momentum, historical similarity to July 2025, and a strong price structure above $2 suggests this move is not random. That said, no indicator guarantees outcome. What matters most is follow through and discipline. If momentum continues to build and price respects key levels, XRP could be entering a powerful new phase of its market cycle. For traders and investors alike, this is a moment to observe carefully, manage risk wisely, and respect the signal without chasing emotion. And this finally ends our video. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one.